With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is Finkelstein reaction is. So these are the reaction given to us. So in the first reaction we can see this alkyl chloride react with dry Ag2O and ether formation has occurred. In the next reaction, alkyl bromide has react with NaI in presence of acetone and this alkyl iodide is formed along with NaBr. In the third reaction, alkyl bromide reacts with Ag2O moist and we can see alcohol is formed here. In the last reaction, alkyl chloride reacts with sodium methoxide to give an ether formation. So now let's discuss Finkelstein reaction. So Finkelstein reaction. So during this reaction, basically alkyl iodides and alkyl fluorides are formed. Alkyl fluorides are formed. These reactions occur by SN2 mechanism. And the most important thing is it is halogen exchange reaction. It is also known as halogen exchange reaction. It means that one halogen will come and replace other halogen from the reactant. So an example to this will be RCl, which is alkyl chloride, will react with sodium iodide. So this is alkyl chloride and it is reacting with sodium iodide in presence of acetone and it will give us alkyl iodide along with NaCl. So this is alkyl iodide. So as I have said, alkyl iodides and alkyl fluorides are formed here. So the next reaction will be for fluoride. So RCl plus Kf, that is potassium fluoride, will react in presence of 18 crown 6 ether in NaCN and it will give us alkyl fluoride along with KCl. So this is Finkelstein reaction. Now let us give an example like for formation of alkyl iodide, CH3, CH2, Br, here bromide is used and NaI when it is used in presence of acetone, halogen exchange reaction will occur, that is iodine will replace this bromide and it will form here NaBr along with CH3, CH2 and I. So this is ethyl iodide. Now let's see. So in the first reaction you can see ether formation has occurred here. So this is definitely not Finkelstein reaction. Now the next reaction we can see ethyl bromide reacts with sodium iodide in presence of acetone to give ethyl iodide and NaBr. So this reaction halogen exchange has occurred. So this reaction is Finkelstein reaction. Now the next reaction is ethyl bromide reacts with Ag2O moist and it is giving us ethanol. So here ethanol formation has occurred here. So this is also not halogen exchange reaction, which is Finkelstein reaction. And in the last reaction we can see that ethyl chloride will react with sodium methoxide and ether formation has occurred here also. So the right answer to this question is when ethyl bromide will react with sodium iodide and acetone, it will give ethyl iodide. So this is Finkelstein reaction. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.